Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I got asked about doing a couple more of these metal color videos. I got asked about the metallic waxes and about gold leafing. So I'll leave the gold leafing for another video. This one I'm just going to do the metallic waxes. Now, of these metallic lusters, the only one I have of the silver, gold, copper colors, I have the silver. These are mostly a little better about not drying up as far as so far. So you can see this is the rose gold. So pretty. That's kind of almost a coppery color, isn't it? So that's the rose gold. The silver is... well, I can't read the... It's white lettering on silver. That makes a bit of sense. So the silver, as you can see, is a really nice consistency, actually. So I've got this little man in the moon. Would have been better if he would have been black. Would have had something to see, wouldn't you? There we go. That gives a really pretty pearly effect against the white. So that's the metallic lusters. It's the only one I'm going to do in those. I've got the silver spark or something, I think is what it's called. Iced espresso, which is a really pretty chocolate brown color. The brilliant turquoise, the elegant emerald, and the rose gold. Okay, so I went ahead and black gessoed this little moon face. So this is the metallic, no, this is the metallic luster, silver spark. Okay. This is the silver spark. Now, okay, sorry about that. This is the Finnabair. This is the metallic line. And this is the old silver, the rich copper, and then vintage brass and vintage gold. Now, they're both a lovely gold color. Okay, one is just a little more yellower. One is a little richer in color. So, we'll start with the silver. Now, the metallic line has a vintage colored base. So they all have a similar base color if you put them on white. They will all have a kind of a brown coloring. Alright. Gonna go for this little bitty one if I can hold on to it. Okay. There it is in the silver. Not a very good molding, I gotta say. Okay, then we'll attempt the gold, and I'm gonna try doing half and half. Now, these are still stuck down, so. Now, this one in particular has gotten a little warm, so it started to separate a little on the surface. There we go. And that is the vintage gold side. Okay, then this will be the aged brass side. So there we go. Lovely, lovely color. When I see them side by side, I really have a difficult time choosing which one I would want to use. I love them both. Okay, then the rich copper. Now, Finnabair has several colors that would pass for a copper. There's a yeah. There's a fire ruby. Sorry, and there's another one that's a rich amber. And then the the new one, which I don't know what it's called. There is the rich copper. Now you can see the fire ruby is a lot redder color. Okay. Now, you'll see a lot of variation between the silver and this old silver. Between the copper and the fire ruby, and between the two colors of the aged brass. Okay, now if we just sit and let these dry, okay, these are after they've been buffed. They look really pretty. And to buff them, I've just got a cheap fabric napkin from a yard sale. Okay, so this one is the Metallic Lustre by DecoArt. And these three are the the Prima Finnabair patinas. Waxes. I'll get it right in a minute. Now, you can put these on either raw or baked clay. I prefer the baked clay just because I won't mash out any of the details. by putting it on raw. So I bake them first whenever possible, but they are heat safe. Permanent when dry. These are really, they're just a really great product. You can paint over them, as is evident by this one. I did put the silver spark on the white resin, and then I decided I didn't like it, and so I gessoed over it. So, there they are. The Prima waxes, the DecoArt metallic luster waxes, both are great products for use with your polymer clay. Like I said, they've got lots of applications even for raw clay, to do veneers, etc. Lots and lots of fun can be had with these products. I've got a few links on my Amazon shop. I believe that one of the polymer clay suppliers has these as well, although I can't swear to that. But if you got anything at all from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I've got my social media links are listed below for everywhere. One announcement, I am participating this year in the Polymer Clay virtual workshop. I'll leave a link below or above or something. So come join along if you are interested. Bye for now.